So one of them is closed, right? One of them is open, right? Right? It's kind of like this open lips scenario, right? Leaf, lick, silly, full, right? So it's kind of like this open scenario where the right, it's more like this. You take it and then you close it. Reef, rip,
Real.
serious. Okay.
Read.
Oh, my bad. So again, so to make the l sound, you place your tongue behind your top teeth. Right? Lick. Silly. Okay. So again, your tongue is behind your top teeth. Your breath should pass along both sides of your tongue and through your open lips. So you have your open lips, right? Right? So the top of your tongue is behind your teeth. Okay?
Okay.
And then you have the dark L sound, similar, except you have the tip of your tongue further back. Okay, so, but it's the same. All right, the R sound, or R sound, is very close to the L, or L, except your tongue should not touch the roof of your mouth, right? So rifle, rifle, rile, okay?
Rile.
Rural. So it's not stuck to the top of your tongue.
Rural.
And it's also more of a closed mouth, right? Rural, lure,
Rural.
mirror. Okay, so it's it's at the top of your mouth, but it's not just like sitting there. Yeah? So it's towards the top, you're still blowing air, but it's not anchored above. L has your tongue touching the top of your mouth. The R sound does not. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Are we sure? How are we feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Okay, cool.
With these letters, I'm familiar. So
Yeah, it's almost the same. Those are also
yes.
almost the same. In French too, I think they're almost the same.